What's happening, guys? We have another, and I know this seems like we have a bunch of crazy products coming out, but we just got these in, the Down4Sound bass boxes, Bluetooth speakers. We're going to be going over unboxing this and showing you what it's all about in this video. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of DOWN4SOUND and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this. I'm super excited about these. We've been working on these for over a year and they're finally here. We had to do so many revisions to the sound of them to get them to where we like them, because let's be honest, there's some very trash Bluetooth speakers out there and it just wasn't cutting it for us, so I decided we'd come out with our very own Bluetooth speaker, which I'm very excited about this. So let's do an unboxing here. I know people love unboxing, so we'll show you what it is and what you're getting. We have our speaker on here, and you may want to hit the little QR code right there if you want to check something out. That's the manual in there. So this is our BassBX G01. And as you can see, they come in 4 different colors. We got our easy EQ, wireless, we got the aux cord, we got rapid recharge, 5-volt USB. I got the colors on there again. On this side, again, 40 watts, wireless, weather resistant. This is not weatherproof, it's not waterproof. Don't throw this in your pool and expect for it to keep playing, because it's not going to work like that. Anyway, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what you see. This is the red one, obviously. Rojo. Let's open this bad boy up. I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks amazing. So you get the speaker, you get your USB, your aux cord, and you get a handy dandy carrying case. But wouldn't this be so much more awesome with a bunch more colors? Let's make that happen. Good enough. All right, so now we magically have 4 colors of this Bluetooth speaker here. So we're gonna show them to you. I'm not gonna lie, I thought the black was gonna be the most popular and my favorite, but it's actually the blue or the red. I'm kind of in between the blue and the red. So this is what they look like. I'm super excited about these. They have a really nice soft rubber touch to them, and we'll just pick, let's pick the blue one, and we'll go through a quick tour of this. So you have a nice mesh here, and obviously you have the Down4Sound logo here. We'll start out on this side. So again, you have your easy EQ here, and you have your mode, you have your power, then you have your battery indicator here, and your Bluetooth pairing. Obviously you want to be able to Bluetooth pair this to your phone. Coming around this side, you have a little cover right here. You pop that cover open, and you have, this is going to be a question for you. So you have your aux cord, right, which plugs in right here like that. If JP passed you the aux cord, what song would you play at the party? Tell me that. I'd love to know what song you would play first at the party if I passed you the aux cord, so let me know that. You also have memory card slot here if you want to play off of a memory card. You have a USB, and then you have a Bluetooth. And this style of charging, I can't remember what. Oh, this is the 5-volt charger here, so you can charge through there like that, and you can plug it into your USB to charge it if you would like. So this is going to give you around 7 or 8 hours of playtime. Again, this is a Bluetooth speaker. It's not huge, so don't think this is going to sound like some. It sounds really good in my opinion. Again, we went over tons of different editions of this and changes to get it to where we like the sound. But again, this isn't some massive Bluetooth speaker. It's still a compact Bluetooth speaker. It's going to give you very nice clean sound for its size. On the top, have a nice Down4Sound logo here that you'll see if I push the power button, it will light up.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So now it's searching for the signal for a Bluetooth pairing. On the top we have the volume. Positive obviously going to be up, negative is going to be going down. If you press and hold it, it's going to change the volume. But if you want it to skip the track, like to go up one track, you just push it really quickly and it'll change the track. All right, let me pair this to my phone. This will be the first time I've done this, so let me see how easy it is. If I can figure it out, you should easily be able to figure this out. So I'm gonna go to I have an iPhone, Team iPhone for the win. Alright, so it's rocking pretty good. I'm going to show you a couple of the different features on the EQ. So again, if you push the EQ button,
bass.
This is bass. Again, you can easily distort this if you try to push it too far. It's definitely putting out more bass here. So the next one,
treble.
Treble. So this will give you more tweeters, less bass.
Normal.
Alright, so it gives you a few different settings there to play off of. And I believe you could also mess with it on the EQ of your phone. Pause this real quick. You can mess with the EQ of your phone to change the sound of this as well. That's going to be some presets that it has. Again, these are awesome. I'm digging these. I can't wait to have one at my house, and I'm going to give some to my parents and everything like that, because they can be perfect for any type of event, like a little tailgating party. If you're having a little get together at your house and you need something louder than your phone, obviously it's going to be great. You can having a cookout, hanging out at the lake, whatever it might be, this will be a great option for you. Again, it's not waterproof, it's water resistant. So if you happen to leave it out on your table outside and it rained on it, it's probably going to be fine. You want to make sure you have this end cap pressed in really well, so that's going to protect those ports right there. But don't drop it in water. It's obviously not going to be covered under warranty. These are normally going to be $149. We currently have them on an introductory sale price of $124.99. So you're saving about 15% or so. We're going to leave that going up until Sunday. So be sure to check it out and take advantage of the savings. Oh, almost forgot. It wouldn't be a proper Bluetooth box if we didn't have a carrying case with it, right? I don't even know which one. Oh, let me see. I'm obviously going to use the blue one. Watch me work real quick. I was like, I've been playing. So if you want to, say you're riding your bike or skateboarding or whatever, you're just cruising along, you want some jams, obviously louder than your phone, and you want everybody else to hear it too. So anyway, you could strap it however you want to, but this is a great, awesome Bluetooth speaker. Grab yours, drop a comment, let me know which one you got. So again, let me know what color you like, and also what song you're gonna play if I pass you the aux cord. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.